at the very opposite edge of the garden, right? And then he goes, Papa! He's running towards me. Papa! Screaming, Papa! Directly grabs my fucking feet.
And guys, that is how Saloni and Okus broke up. Okay, this is the story of their breakup.
Bruh. Welcome everybody to another episode of Tired Behind the Persona because दोनों भाई आज next level tired है भाई.
मैं 9 बजे से बैठा हुआ हूँ, ठीक है? मैं सुबह के 9 बजे से बैठा हूँ. And I called up Okus. We supposed to record at like 8:30, right?
Yeah.
I called him up. I'm like, bro, 8:30 को तो बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाएगा क्योंकि बहुत काम है and I will not be available at 8:30. So मेरे पास 1 घंटे का एक slot था. So I was like, okay, let's just record at this time.
तू रात भर सोया नहीं है और फिर तू 9 बजे से लेके अभी तक काम ही कर रहा है.
हाँ.
अरे बाप रे.
Crunch month, crunch week. क्या करें?
Yeah, it's a down week. I know the feeling. आज मुझे पता है मैंने ये जो आज वीडियो जो पोस्ट की है मैंने कैसे की है. It's been tough, man. It's been tough. बहुत मुश्किल रहा है.
I haven't even watched it. I just got the notification. I haven't even watched it.
It's like, और वो थोड़ा मतलब it's not performing as I expected it to, but hey, that's YouTube for you. You never know what's gonna perform.
Right.
It's always about the crunch.
Right.
Keep going. Keep
Right,
pushing it,
right.
keep pushing it, and eventually something will happen.
I was about to say कि यार I was just thinking about it कि अगर my work is gonna keep on like increasing, right? Like I'm gonna work more and more number of hours. How do I even like find the balance to have like a personal life and office life?
Yeah, you have
and
you need to have a personal life, you need to have your YouTube life, and then you have your career life. There is 3 lives that you're maintaining.
I think
Insane
like
amount
one of them has to die. I wonder which one it is gonna be.
I mean, I think we'll find
Probably my personal life. Oh my god,
Yeah.
I don't think I will ever have a chance to be in a relationship ever again. अब सीधा शादी होगी. अगर होगी तो that is some stupid girl somewhere in the world.
some stupid girl.
Somewhere in the world. Would be
अच्छा.
mad enough to give me a
We'll
chance.
get to that someday. We'll definitely get to that someday. But
Oh, you're gonna
talking
bring
about
back this conversation again?
yeah. We'll get. मेरे को तो हम तो एकदम ऐसा deep करेंगे थोड़ा. अभी things slow जा रही हैं थोड़ा. Let the pace pick up and then we'll talk about it in the nifty details and full ऐसा एकदम ही.
Nifty details. Is that a pun? Is that a pun?
No, actually
It's not?
now that I think of it, it could have been a good pun. But hey, I'm
Nifty
liking about fun
details.
stuff. But yeah, man, it's been last 10 दिन every time I have gone out last 10 दिनों में every time I have
Right.
gotten recognized because like are you Papa Okus, and it's been surreal. It's been
Yeah.
insane क्योंकि
Yeah.
like वो जब तुम कोई सामने आता है ना बंदा and you're like are you Papa Okus, and you're like yeah, and then they're like मैं तुम्हारी वीडियोस देखता हूँ. That in itself that humanizes. मतलब वो जो नंबर दिख रहा है ना तुमको 50,000 या 40,000 या 10,000 या 20,000 या 4,000, those are actual real people that have clicked that subscribe button.
हाँ. तेरे दिमाग में बैकग्राउंड में जॉन मेयर का गाना चल रहा था क्या? न्यू लाइट वाला. It starts off
है
like
ना?
this.
हाँ
My name, I am John Mayer and I am ready to be a star. Ready to be a star.
Oh man, it was crazy. So the first interaction that in the last 10 days happened was मैं सलोनी के घर पे जा रहा था डिनर करने. ठीक है.
Right.
I was going to meet her mom, like ऐसे अच्छे से officially we were going to have dinner, we were going to talk about stuff, you know.
Right.
So I was मैं गाड़ी से निकलता हूँ. She came to pick me up. हम लोग गाड़ी से निकलते हैं and we were walking, and उसकी कॉलोनी के just at the center of her colony there's this big garden जहाँ पे बच्चे छोटे बच्चे खेलते हैं. And then there's this 11-year-old kid at the very opposite edge of the garden, right? And he sees me, and I see that he sees me, and then he goes, Papa! And this 11
Wow.
chubby kid, he says,
That is-
Papa!
Okay, that I don't like. No. If you hadn't given people the context behind telling this story, people are like, what the hell? Okay,
and-
तू क्या कर क्या रहा था?
Yeah,
भाई
we'll
इतने
get to
साल?
that. We'll get to that. That's exactly ये किसी एक का रिएक्शन था because वो देखता है मुझे वहां से chubby 11-year-old tiny kid running sweaty. he's running towards me, Papa, screaming, Papa, and then he comes and then he directly grabs my fucking feet.
And
Sir!
and guys, that is how Saloni and Okus broke up. Okay, this is the story of their breakup.
Bro,
Okus
imagine.
found his illegitimate child. My God.
Bro, and he came and he directly सीधा पैर पकड़ा मेरा, और पैर पकड़ता है, बोलता है, सर मैं आपकी सारी वीडियोस देखता हूँ. लाइक अरे बेटा उठ क्या कर रहा है, मतलब पैर मत पकड़, ठीक है. एंड बोलता है, सर मैं आपकी सारी वीडियोस देखता हूँ, आप 50K के कितने करीब हो. बोलता थैंक यू यार, आई वाज लाइक आई फेल्ट ब्लेस्ड. एंड देन ही गोस, सर मुझे आपका नंबर दे दो प्लीज. एंड आई एम लाइक अरे यार. मैं फिर उसको अच्छे से आई स्टेड द कन्वर्सेशन वेरी वेल. आई वाज वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हाउ लाइक कितने अच्छे से मैंने वो हैंडल किया. मैं उसको चिन पे ऐसा हाथ लगाना, बोलता बच्चा मैं अगर तुमको देता हूँ तो मुझे सबको नंबर देना पड़ेगा, ऐसा फेयर नहीं होगा ना सबके लिए. एंड ही गोस, ही अंडरस्टैंड्स इट. एंड देन ही ग्रैब्स माय हैंड एंड ही गोस, परिमल. And then there is another 17-year-old, उसका बड़ा भाई, he comes running. And I was like, Papa! And then he grabs my feet. I'm like, अबे तुम लोग feet क्यों grab कर रहे हो मेरे बार-बार? फिर मैं उनसे अच्छे से बात किया. We had a good conversation. And then I went upstairs and it's whatever. Then, the next day, I'm walking Ev, right? And then एक लड़का आता है and he goes, Ev! And वो उसको ऐसे टच करने लगता है, पेट करने लगता है. And I'm like, मिले हो क्या तुम उससे? मतलब क्योंकि मेरे को मैं यूजुअली नहीं, मुझे पता रहता है कि कौन एव को मिलता है, कौन नहीं मिलता है. एंड एव वाज वेरी फ्रेंडली विद हिम एंड ही वाज लाइक कि उसने बहुत समय से देखा हुआ है. तो मैं उससे पूछता हूँ, बच्चे तुम मिले हुए हो क्या इससे? एंड ही गोस, ओकस राइट. मैं बोला तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? इन लोग को मैं इस गली से रोज गुजर रहा हूँ बिकॉज मैं होप कर रहा था कि मुझे कभी आप दिख जाओगे. मतलब तू यहाँ नहीं रहता? नहीं, पर मैं इधर आ रहा हूँ रोज शाम को होपिंग कि आप मुझे दिख जाओगे. आई वाज लाइक bro,
so they saw you in some vlog or something, is it?
Yeah. Priyal ne somewhat kind of like उन लोग ने मेरी not exactly location but the area that I live around वो थोड़ा सा reveal हो गया. And that happened. And उसके साथ भी अच्छा conversation हुआ. Then ऐसे ही ऑन द रेगुलर होने लगे कि देयर वाज लाइक देयर बंच ऑफ किड्स हियर इन माय कॉलोनी एंड मैं उनसे कभी इंटरेक्ट नहीं करता हूँ. फिर एक दिन बोलते भैया आपका यूट्यूब चैनल है ना? बोलता हाँ. फिर एकदम से सारे बच्चे आ जाते, छोटे और बड़े. हम सब आपके वीडियोस देखते हैं एंड लाइक इट फेल्ट वेरी नाइस, राइट? लाइक इट्स फन टू जस्ट सी दोज पीपल IRL. बट अभी yesterday one of the very cool experience हुआ है सब्सक्राइबर से रिलेटेड कि 2 लड़कियां approached me and they were like sorry to interrupt but are you Papa Kuta? I was like yeah. And then we had a good like 30-40 minute long conversation, really healthy. And then there is another guy, he comes while I'm talking to two of these guys and he goes, are you Papa Okus? And I'm like yeah man, what's up? And then he's like मैं mom के साथ हूँ, मुझे जाना पड़ेगा but can I have a photo with you? I'm like of course dog, tell me. And then वो दोनों लड़के हमारी फोटो खींचते हैं. And then there is उसकी mom पीछे खड़ी है, right? And उन्होंने मास्क पहना है, चश्मा पहना है. And like I kind of see like maybe I know her from somewhere. Who is this woman? And वो मेरे को ऐसा thumbs up दिखा रही है, like good like I'm like does she recognize me? Is this what's going on? And then सब कुछ हो जाता है. They go their way, the 2 guys go their way and I'm coming home. And while I'm coming home like no fucking way that woman was my fucking teacher from 11th grade. I was like holy shit. And in my head I was like that's the biggest flex ever क्योंकि मेरी टीचर का बच्चा मुझे अभी देख रहा था. And that was like it was crazy to fucking experience.
Like yeah, you're doing well even though you're not doing shit in school but you're doing really well in life.
Yeah. And like I could see that she was smiling. I could see that like she didn't understand but like she was so proud of me, I guess. It was really crazy. And again आज मैं Saloni was just making fun of like how I'm getting recognized every day and वो ऐसा के सर एक फोटो ले लो मेरे साथ. Saloni was doing this. Sir एक फोटो. Are you Papa Okus? Can I have a photo? And then this another guy comes in and he goes, sir can I have a photo? And मुझे लगा Saloni है ना. I go ये इतनी deep आवाज कैसी हो गई? And I'm like are you Papa Okus? Can I have a photo with you? And फिर Saloni is laughing her ass off like कि मैंने बोला था आज भी recognize होगा तू. And then even that kid was super nice. Everyone I've met was like super nice.
That's great.
Yeah,
that's great. So like what was going through your body when physically what was going through you when
Oh
you
man,
saw that?
so much, like, I'm so thankful to the podcast because at this point I
Hmm.
can have conversation with anybody. किसी को भी
Hmm.
खड़ा कर दे and I will make that bastard open up.
Right.
That's
Right.
so now I can steer any conversation no matter how awkward it is. That was my,
Right.
like, that was
Right.
my biggest, क्या कहते concern कि बहन जो कोई मेरे को मिलने आएगा and I awkward ना हो जाए. ऐसा ना हो जाए
Right.
कि लाइक मैं बोल नहीं पाया या उसको ऐसा awkward फील करने लगे. तो
But
आई वाज
why do you like thank why are you grateful to have the podcast for that? Were you
बिकॉज
like that
अभी
before?
अपन लोग ने इतना बातचीत कर लिया है ना और कितने भी
Right.
गेस्ट को ले आए ना कि अब हम लोग उस हैबिट में पहुंच गए कॉन्शियसली एंड सबकॉन्शियसली कि कोई भी हो बहन का लोड़ा, तू कोई भी हो, तेरे से क्वेश्चंस तो मैं ऐसे निकलवा लूंगा और ऐसी बातचीत कर ही लूंगा कि ऑकवर्ड नहीं
हाँ.
होगा कन्वर्सेशन, यू नो.
Right. Okay.
Prakhar told me something very interesting. I think we talked about this on the live stream. He said, अगर तुझे अच्छा conversation करना है ना, just be authentic about what you're talking about. And I keep that in my head a lot. कि just अगर तुझे XYZ के बारे में नहीं पता, उसके बारे में बात ही नहीं करने का है. जिसके बारे में पता है, उसके बारे में बातचीत कर. And that was like, that is, I think, is a good anchor.
But ये भी तो होता है ना कि you can talk very passionate about things which you want to talk about. That
Yeah.
is, I think, what Prakhar meant to say.
Yeah.
Um, but where does the diplomatic side of things come in? समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Like if the person in front of you is a talker,
Yeah.
then how do you like steer a conversation?
Yeah.
I think the way you steer a conversation then in that case would be कि you let them talk.
Yeah.
You let them
करने दे
talk
बात.
and you
Yeah.
and you like catch some cues to make sure that they know that you're
Yeah.
listening. Like for example, you repeat back what you say to them, what they said to you.
Yeah.
Like if,
Yeah.
for example, give me a sentence, give me a rant,
Yeah.
give me an elaborate paragraph of something, anything, any
So I
random
was
topic.
okay. So I was outside the other day, and then this guy came to me and he said, "Can I suck your dick?" It was insane.
So he said, "Can I suck your dick?" Is
Yes,
that what he
ma'am, you
said?
can.
So it's, but but you get what I mean, right? Like
Yeah,
if
yeah,
I
yeah.
repeat back what you said, that this
Yeah.
means that you feel like you are heard, right?
Yeah. And
So if
that's
that
that's
person
the
said,
goal to like have a good conversation is कि
yeah,
इस दुनिया में जहाँ पे लोग सिर्फ like कोई मुझे देख ले, just make people feel seen. Yeah, I don't know if that's the
make
right
people,
term.
yeah, right. Make people heard, make people be seen, make people identify that they are not exactly important, but they are present.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Like हाँ तुम हो, तुम
इस
exist करते हो और मैंने notice कर लिया है.
हाँ
That kind of
हाँ
scenario.
हाँ हाँ एंड फिर
Right.
जब तुम द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट ना, वो ऐसी ऐसी चीजें बोलने लगते हैं ना जो आई गेस वो
Yeah,
लोग
yeah.
किसी को बोले नहीं होंगे. दैट्स अ वेरी गुड
Sure,
थिंग टू
sure.
लाइक.
You that is how you open people
Yeah.
in general.
Yeah, and I've been practicing that a lot. There's this abhi मैं for our Valentine's Day, me and Saloni with some of her girlfriends went outside, and there was this really shy girl, like super shy girl, and she was young. She was around like 17, 18 years old, and she was like fourth wheeling basically.
Okay.
So and तो पर luckily she lived near my house, so I was like, let me drop you. And during the while like मैं उसको drop कर रहा था, the whole time I tried कि मैं अब इसको ऐसा ट्राई करूंगा कि ये पूरा क्या कहते हैं जो 20 मिनट हम लोग ट्रैवल करेंगे वो पूरा 20 मिनट टू ओपन हो जाए, वो पूरे 20 मिनट में. एंड आई वाज लाइक मैंने देखा कि ओके what does she and I have in common. So it started with the hair. She had extremely curly hair, I have extremely curly hair, and that's how we went. She started talking about how उसको dandruff हो जाता है, how it's a tad bit brittle, how this and how that, and then we went, and by the end of it we were on a complete different tangent, but like she had opened up like never before.
Right.
So that's I really like being able to now do that, steer that conversation in such a way कि पहले नहीं कर पाता था क्योंकि पहले बहुत awkward हो जाता था.
Yeah, it becomes very addictive after a point. So
Oh
be
yeah.
careful.
Oh yeah. I get somewhat like a high, I guess.
It is. Like I mentioned to you, na, that is where I get my high from, like being able to have conversations with people.
Yeah.
So you get what I mean.
Yeah.
But then again, that is what like I look forward to. The question for you is ki, like, sure, you can handle that conversation, right? You can handle people coming and approaching you and this and that. But are you like, do you also look forward to it? Like, हाँ भाई और लोग every day single, I want to talk to new people, new people. Are you that kind of a person or no?
I think it's very similar to what you said the other day कि like 8-9 people will be my limit. मतलब 5-6 people तो मैं आसानी से handle कर लूँगा, पर 8-9 के बाद it
हाँ.
becomes like, oh jeez.
Every day?
I don't know about every day, but maybe I would like to be optimistic here and be like, maybe I can do that. But it's tough. It's tough. You're very good at orating. Like you have good orator skills, if that's a term. I don't know exactly, but you know, तू इधर
Orating?
से उधर,
हाँ.
जैसे बीच का बंदा जो होता है ना, अच्छा इधर से इधर, इधर से इधर, जैसे होस्ट टाइप, अगर 2 गेस्ट है तो बीच का होस्ट बन जाता है. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean. Sure.
Where
Yeah.
does that come from?
I think it comes from a genuine curiosity for lots of different domains. Do you make does that make sense? Like if somebody has something to talk about fashion,
हाँ.
I'll listen to it. If somebody has something to talk about
Yeah.
biology, I'll listen to it.
Yeah.
Someone has to talk something about space, I would listen to it. So I like
Yeah.
genuine curiosity towards a variety of topics. So I
Yeah.
think that helps. That helps
Yeah.
keep my gears running.
Yeah.
I guess.
You should definitely learn a tad bit about public speaking then. Because you have the orator skill, you have the curiosity, you have the knowledge. You just need a tad bit more polishing in the public speaking, I suppose. It's fucking the conversation game. You'll be killing it.
There's an interesting story behind that. So public speaking तो छोड़ो, school में debates होती है ना. I think I'm not sure if I've had this conversation with you before or I have had this conversation in the podcast before. But मैं जिस school से belong करता हूँ,
Yeah.
there are 4 such schools. Mine was
Right.
the original one. It was like
Right.
140 plus years old.
Right.
It was an Anglo-Indian school, and there were 3 others established in Orissa.
Yeah.
There was this once in a few years they used to have this inter-school competition among those 4 schools. Okay,
Yeah.
and we were supposed to go to Sukinda. Sukinda is a place in Orissa
Right.
by bus from our school, and as only those students are supposed to go who are supposed to represent in various competitions. Like someone is representation in spelling bee, somebody is in general knowledge, somebody is in debate, somebody is in
Right.
essay writing, and so on and
Right.
so forth, right?
Right.
So I was really like, I was in 9th standard. I really wanted to go and represent for debate. Okay,
Right.
there was for some reason that year I had developed a bit of an interest in debating. I had attended a few debates.
Yeah.
So I wanted to do that.
Yeah.
I remember I still was just so soul crushing for me at that point of time when my English teacher walks up and she says, last moment, she says, the names have been decided. I was supposed to represent for debate. And she last moment mein she says ki no, don't send Gaurav. So weird, na?
Yeah.
I mentioned myself as Gaurav.
Yeah.
Don't send Gaurav for debate. He's very moody. Send him for essay writing. I was
Yeah.
like,
You've told me. Yeah.
yeah. But have I mentioned it in the podcast?
Yeah. You have once mentioned.
I have.
We were talking about essay writing in general कि फिर कहाँ से तुझे एक ऐसा टीचर मिला जो तेरे को क्या कहते हैं essay writing में घुस गया, लाइक ये कट करो, ये कट करो, ये कट करो, फिर से and I'm writing that essay 25-30 times just so that I can.
That was in college.
Yeah.
When I was writing essays. But school mein, so she specifically said कि Gaurav is very moody. Don't give him debate. Give him essay writing. So I went to represent for essay writing instead, and
Yeah.
some of my colleagues went for debate.
Right.
But fortunately, we still bagged a prize in essay writing. I think we were second. I was second or third. It was not first, but I was second or third in essay writing for my school. And my school, I think we got like out of those, 25 odd prizes, we got like some 20. 5 we did not get, but all 20 my school got, including my own. So that
Wow.
was pretty fun.
Yeah. But you should definitely try getting into public speaking.
Public speaking.
Yeah. If not public speaking, one thing I've noticed is एक बंदे को बिठा
हाँ.
और उससे बात करना शुरू कर, रैंडम बंदा हो, ठीक है. मैं आई प्रैक्टिस दिस अ लॉट विद ऑटो ड्राइवर्स.
Right.
मैं ऑटो से बहुत ट्रैवल करता हूँ कम्यूट यहाँ पे, क्योंकि
Yeah.
ओला इज चीपर एंड भैंचो मिनी विनी तो भाई गांड माई चुट जाती है अगर वो ले लिया मैंने तो. सो ओला ऑटो इज द बेस्ट वे टू गो एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई यूज.
हाँ
बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो क्या कहते हैं ऑटो वाले हैं, जो नॉर्मल ऑटो वाले हैं, साले मीटर से चलते ही नहीं है। तो
क्या
और
नवी मुंबई नहीं चलते होंगे, मुंबई तो चलते हैं, बिकॉज
नवी
आई वाज
मुंबई
जस्ट
में
अबाउट टू।
चलते हैं, पर जहाँ पे मैं रहता हूँ, लाइक टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ
हाँ
नवी मुंबई, इट स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग लाइक मीटर से नहीं जाएंगे इन स्पेसिफिक
मैं जब
स्पेसिफिक प्लेसेस।
मैं जब मुंबई गया हुआ था तो आई वाज द बेस्ट थिंग आई लाइक्ड अबाउट मुंबई वाज कि वहाँ पे मीटर के हिसाब से चलते हैं, सो आई वाज लाइक
या
ओ ग्रेट, आई कैन सी हाउ मच इट्स गोना कॉस्ट, प्लीज कीप
या
गोइंग.
या
And I would try to have conversations with people in Mumbai because they're speaking Hindi, right? They speak in Marathi, but they speak in Hindi also
या
in
या
Mumbai.
या
So I would try to have conversations about like in general about life in Mumbai, this and
या
that.
या
But one of the conversations which I do remember very specifically is how auto drivers have such a bias towards Salman Khan and against Shah Rukh Khan. I don't understand why is that.
I've
Okay,
I've noticed that, and
like
it's very yeah.
why do everyone has such good things to say about Salman Khan कि भाई
Salman,
तो ऐसे है, भाई तो वैसे
हाँ
है, भाई
हाँ,
तो ऐसे है, भाई तो
yeah.
like देख शाहरुख के लिए 10 खराब
Yeah.
चीज, I don't understand how and
Yeah,
why.
हम लोग जब भी मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुंबई जाते थे, वी यूज टू ट्राई एंड डू दिस लाइक एक्स वर्सेस वाई, एंड देखने का वो किस तरफ है, लाइक यू नो कम समटाइम्स बीजेपी एंड समटाइम्स दीज गाइज वर इनटू पॉलिटिक्स, मैं नहीं था, समटाइम्स सलमान खान वर्सेस समटाइम्स शाहरुख खान, एंड इट वाज सो
Right.
फनी टू जस्ट सी लाइक डिफरेंट रिएक्शंस। जब आ रहे हैं तो हाँ बहन शाहरुख खान तो गांड फाड़ है, फिर यहाँ से आ रहे अरे कौन चूतिया बहन ये वो गटर में देता है, ये सलमान भाई है असली अपने, एंड आई एम लाइक
So have you तूने कुछ notice किया like in some pattern which you have recognized about who is saying that Shahrukh is better and who is saying that Salman is better, like anything,
I
any
the Salman
pattern?
people are like I think they have recently gotten into I don't know if exactly, but like you know these people who like Salman Khan are very want to look like Salman Khan, you know what I mean?
Okay, yeah,
Like
okay,
the same hairstyle, a bit chubby, a bit buffy, वो वाला क्या कहते हैं bracelet, very Shahrukh, like you and I we are Shah Rukh Khan fans, but we don't want to look like Shah Rukh Khan.
I mean we would we wish we could look like we could have Shah
Yeah,
Rukh Khan's hair.
yeah. Fuck. What? How old is he? 50, right? He's almost 50.
50, no, he's 56, 57, I think.
He's that old? Holy shit! And
Yeah,
like भाई उसके
1960.
बाल बहुत
Ni-
अच्छे हैं यार.
It's he's 55. This year he's gonna be 56, I think. He's 1965 born. So
Jesus
yeah,
Christ. Yeah. It's crazy. But
yeah,
getting back to the topic, तो मैं अब यहाँ से
right,
ओला ऑटो करता हूँ, राइट? एंड मेरा
right.
गोल रहता है कि मैं ऑटो ड्राइवर से, जो ओला वाले रहते हैं
हाँ,
उनसे बात करूंगा, बिकॉज नेचुरली ओला ड्राइवर से बात नहीं करते हम लोग. वी गेट इन द वी टेल
right,
देम द ओटीपी एंड इट्स क्वाइट थ्रू आउट,
right,
एंड देन वी गिव देम द 5
right,
stars. Everybody does
right,
that. I was like, you know
right.
what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna talk to these Ola drivers and I'm gonna
हाँ,
see how much I can learn about क्या कहते हैं their just life. Why are they doing it? खुद की गाड़ी
हाँ,
है कि नहीं, क्या
हाँ,
अच्छा धंधा हो रहा है क्या ओला से,
हम्म,
सम से कि खुद की गाड़ी है, सम से नहीं, सम से कि अच्छा धंधा हो रहा है, सम से नहीं,
हम्म,
कि आपको अपना ड्राइविंग ही करने की है, एंड लाइक वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम, एंड देन यू एंड अप बाय द एंड ऑफ द क्या कहते हैं कम्यूट, यू एंड अप बाय समथिंग लाइक you're टोटली ऑन अ डिफरेंट tangent talking about something different about
हम्म,
their life. And
हम्म,
I don't know, it helps me just कैसे बोलूँ, मतलब मेरी स्किल्स शार्प रहती है उसकी वजह से, कि
right,
वो बंदे के बारे में मैं कैसे जानूँ, एंड
हम्म,
स्टिल यू नो carry this conversation and make him feel like he's been heard, he's been seen. It's fun
right,
to do that. Try that with people. If somebody
हम्म,
wants to actually get better at conversing, ऐसे बंदे को पकड़ो जिससे तुम नहीं मिले हो, उसको बिठाओ, ठीक है, एंड तुम बोलोगे इस तरीके से कि वो मतलब द मोमेंट अगर वो उसने अटेंशन लूज किया, इज इन दैट मोमेंट यू हैव रियलाइज कि तुमने थोड़ा सा कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया है. तो यू विल फाइंड दैट बैलेंस ऑफ लाइक कि मुझे इतना बोलना है टू कैप्चर हिज अटेंशन, टू गेट दैट रिस्पेक्ट कि हाँ भाई ही नोज व्हाट ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट, एंड फिर इससे
right,
ज़्यादा गया तो फिर ही विल गेट बोर्ड, एंड अब इसको पुल करना है, अब ये बात करेगा, अब ही विल गेट ओपन.
right,
So you
right.
find that balance, and it's really fun. Like I said, you get a high from it.
Yes, yes, that's true.
Yeah.
Let's talk a bit about our podcast and a bit about how we are going about things over the last
Yeah.
1.5 weeks.
Yeah.
So if you guys must have noticed, if you do not follow us on Instagram, you should follow us on Instagram, Person Behind the Persona. We are posting a lot of reels and a
Yes.
lot of Instagram posts.
Yep.
We have a new team member. Would you like to introduce him, Mukesh?
Yeah. Our new team member is Nitesh. Yeah, everybody clap for Nitesh. Nitesh has been my friend for the longest time. 7 साल से हम लोग दोस्त हैं. Very effective, very smart. He was like, yeah, I want to learn editing anyway. I wanna get into like थोड़ा नए skills सीखने हैं.
Right.
Let help me, मैं कैसे सीख सकता हूँ? And I was like, I want to get into social media stuff. I want to क्या कहते हैं person behind the persona का जो account है उसको उठाना चाहता हूँ. You come on the team. We'll pay you X amount of money. And you need to post reels, and by the like second or third time he already caught up to it. अब बाकी सारी खुद से ही कर रहा था. So he's very good.
Great.
And one of the reels got like what 60k views, 67k
Yes, one of
views.
them. I think, guys, now that we are mentioning that scenario, I think it is a great time to also ask you guys, for whoever is listening on YouTube, for a bit of an help. Guys, it will be great. It will be great if some of you, I know that many of you have asked for timestamps. Many of you have asked for timestamps on the videos, and we have always said कि नहीं timestamps तो नहीं डालना है क्योंकि पूरा podcast देखो, right? We would highly suggest that if you feel, you feel that you can do the timestamps, please comment the timestamps. It will be helpful to us as well, so that we
Yeah.
can post stuff on
Yeah.
reels in Instagram and in various other
Yeah.
platforms.
We'll be able to
please
go
go
through
ahead.
क्योंकि हम लोग को फिर टाइम स्टैम्प सोचना पड़ता है कि हाँ ये कन्वर्सेशन है ये है. But
Right.
yeah, we've been trying to post a lot more clips. मैं I was seeing how well we can like और traffic कैसे ला सकता हूँ मैं channel पर. And of
Right.
course the traditional approach to it is getting reels out there and getting clips out there.
Right.
You have a clip channel, you have a क्या कहते हैं your main podcast channel. Both of the channels pull about the same amount of views by the end of the month because you post a lot more clips. I'm thinking maybe we'll try and venture into IGTV, Twitter, and Reels as well.
I have a
And
question
see
on
how-
that. I'm pretty sure that a clips channel would definitely get more views eventually
not
than the
equal.
podcast, if not
Yeah.
equal than the podcast. But
Yeah.
what about the watch time?
Yeah,
Because
of course.
podcasts,
Yeah.
isn't YouTube, the algorithm has skewed towards watch time more than it
Yeah.
was for views.
Ultimately what the go अच्छा चलो ठीक है, let's talk about this. Yeah, watch time versus views. ठीक है. What does like do you upload a longer video and you get less views, or do you upload a longer shorter video and get more views? Ultimately what does YouTube demand? YouTube demands that the audience stays
Right.
on the fucking platform, not on your
Right.
channel. It doesn't matter if you're making them stay on the platform. That's all they want. And
Right.
how do they calculate that? They calculate that through retention. They calculate through watch time. So
Right.
this is what I think. This is what I have in theory. There is a retention for the video, but there is also retention for the channel.
Okay.
That I don't know if anybody talks about or is talking like looking into it, or if there is an official like announcement ki haan bhai there is. But if you're able to pull about the same amount of watch time through like posting multiple videos, you know, so
Okay.
like
Okay.
Andrew Schultz did that in a very good manner, where he posted multiple clips throughout the week. And because the way he क्या कहते हैं wrote his material, it was like तू एक पे click करेगा, फिर तू दूसरी पे click करेगा, फिर तू तीसरी पे click करेगा, फिर तू, and that made him like the most watched comedian of the whole 2020, I think, in the world.
Right.
Yeah, so I think that there is something around that where you necessarily do not have to post longer video. You can post shorter video, but then you have to make them in such कि log watch your stuff on the regular.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
एक फिर दो फिर तीन फिर चार, and they're coming back and then they're going 1 2 3 4. I feel like that is one of the reasons that David Dobrik succeeded. He had very similar क्या कहते हैं formula, strategy, whatever you want to call it.
Even Logan Paul, for that matter.
Yeah, even Logan Paul for that matter. Even like अभी भी अगर तू Logan Paul के पुराने videos देखने जाएगा तो तू वापस like एक दो videos तो देख के ही उठेगा उनके.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
David Dobrik hasn't been posting for a year, right? During the entire
Yeah,
lockdown. he hasn't
he's
posted.
coming back to views. He said
podcast,
that.
but he hasn't missed a day in his podcast anyway. So
Yeah.
podcast
He
is
has
there.
been always consistent throughout like this break that he has done with the views, and now he's coming. I think अभी सिर्फ exclusively YouTube पे डालेगा, ऐसा scene है.
Acha. I think
Save video
honestly,
podcast.
these David Dobrik, Logan Paul comparisons are kind of unfair towards an Indian audience, because dude, the kind of money that they have on the table,
Yep.
is not even comparable
Insane.
to the kind of money
Yep.
which we have. Even though it's
Yep.
a lot, I'm sure there is a lot of scope in India, but
Yeah.
it's not comparable at all because
Yeah.
it's dollars to rupees. So
Yeah.
बहुत
The
कम
average CPM out there for like Spotify
like
is around
$20.
like $15, $20.
Right,
So
right.
when you calculate that, like Joe Rogan का अब तुम like उसने 100 million Spotify ये किया ना
Deal
साइन किया
किया है.
वेरी
Yes,
like 3 years exclusive Spotify
right,
$100 million.
right.
पर तू अगर कैलकुलेट करेगा ना he was already making around $35 million a year
Just through his podcast.
just through his podcast. अगर तू थोड़ा सा भी
Ah,
पॉडकास्टिंग में है, he was pulling, I guess, I don't know how much million views he was pulling. Yeah, plays he was pulling. But if you would look, he was pulling around $35 million through क्या कहते हैं just podcast, like throughout, like YouTube, his Spotify, his sponsors, his ads, everything around that. Total
right,
मिला के he was pulling $35 million by
right,
the end of the year. So now that you calculate, it kind of lies around 100 million for 3-year deal.
right. Got it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I wonder why he took it. That's why I'm very interested how David Dobrik is gonna take this approach, because he also pulled insane amount of views. Insane amount of plays when it came down to his podcast views.
Right.
Yeah.
I think David can do something which Joe Rogan cannot. I mean, he can, but like Joe Rogan's vibe is not similar to that. David can get like he can appeal to a much younger audience,
Yeah.
and he can get celebs, lots of
Yeah.
celebrities.
Yeah.
You've seen in his vlogs that he can do that on a very
Yeah.
regular basis. I'm
Yeah.
sure Rogan has also done that, but I
Yeah.
think Rogan बहुत ज़्यादा domain cover करता है, बहुत ज़्यादा ground cover करता है
Yeah.
in comparison to David Dobrik.
Yeah.
But who are you a avid watcher of? I have watched Views a lot. I have watched a lot of
No.
the other podcasts. I have watched Heath and Zane
Yeah.
very, very religiously. I used to watch Scott's Cast at one point of time. I used to listen to Joe Rogan a lot at one point of time. Then I
Yeah.
stopped. I haven't
Yeah.
been listening to many podcasts anymore. Used to listen to a few Indian
Similar.
podcasts.
I've been listening to a lot of podcasts through clips, and Views is one of those कि मैं clips के through सुनता हूँ. जो रोगन मैं once in a while पूरा सुनता हूँ, पर वो भी clips के through ही सुनता हूँ. The only podcast that I listen to is PBTV.
I think I think clips का I was listening to बहुत पहले just like 3 or 4 years back. I was listening to a lot of H3 clips. But
Yeah, similar. H3 was one of the first ones who got me into just podcast in general.
podcasting, right?
Yeah.
This is around the time when we started recording. The
I
early
think
on.
even before that actually, मतलब एकदम जब इन्होंने शुरू किया था ना H3
Right,
जब उनका
right,
वो
right.
पुराना ओवरले था, जब वो ट्विच पे स्ट्रीम भी करते थे,
Right.
तब घुसा था मैं पॉडकास्ट पे H3.
It is interesting that you mentioned.
decent.
It is interesting that you mentioned about Twitch. I had a question. What is your opinion on like what is the market for Twitch in India?
It's very difficult to make Indians move from YouTube to Twitch now.
Why?
Okay, so what does Twitch offer? The UI is better, the services is better, the bitrate is better.
So the experience is better, right?
Yeah, streaming in general, Twitch over there, it's better. The donation is better. The क्या कहते हैं, everything over there is better. It's good, right? And when it comes down to streaming, the problem is Indians, we don't have that kind of fast internet to utilize good streaming. हम लोग नहीं देखने वाले, like how much does like think about it, कितने लोग HD में stream देखते होंगे इंडिया में, जहाँ पे even still now I know plenty of people that use Jio and they have like 1 GB data a day या 2 GB data a day,
Right.
you know. So for them to be able to utilize it, कि हाँ भाई ये वो tools available है, पर that is not attractive to us Indians because we don't have the power to utilize it just yet. And
Right.
that's why I don't think even Twitch is trying to capture the Indian market, whereas Facebook gaming and YouTube gaming is massively, especially Facebook gaming, they are giving insane deals if you are a gaming streamer, मालूम है?
बट यार
पैसे दे रहे
फेसबुक
हैं.
गेमिंग की बात अगर कर ही रहे हैं, you and me, we don't upload on Facebook. We don't have a PBTV Facebook page.
No.
So like, why don't we do that? Why was the question? The reason is because we think that for me at least, I don't use Facebook in general because I think it's very cluttered. The UI is very,
Same.
and I think it's like old. It's like Orkut.
Yeah,
to me now.
yeah, similar. That's the same thought, but like there is a audience
A
there
huge
that we
market.
are missing. Yeah, Priyal
Right, right.
came through Facebook.
Yeah,
He built his initial audience through Facebook.
right.
Built his initial क्या कहते हैं जो whole जो उसका persona है, जो प्रियल भाई, ये जो persona है,
हाँ,
डैंकी डैंक बॉय जो जो
हाँ,
सब करता रहता था वो, he came from
हाँ,
Facebook, then from to Instagram, then to Instagram to YouTube. So
right.
there is definitely an audience there, the massive audience. But as it goes older, Facebook I feel like is just a dying site that will in turn like just take over the क्या कहते हैं market and have like plenty of alive sites. But in itself, the Facebook as its site, it's dying. Like you know, because the new kids are
The
using
first product,
Instagram.
the original product is dying. The company itself will acquire other companies,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And
Right,
that's the way
right.
to go. That's how you stay alive in the market. But like तू सोचना अभी जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे आ रहे हैं, they're using Twitter, they're using Instagram, 16-17 साल के, they're not using Facebook. And कितना यूज
Right,
करेंगे कर करके भी, you know.
right.
Even the old ones like you and me, we are moving away from Facebook.
Hmm.
We left Facebook like years ago. So
Right.
it is going to, I feel like. But the thing is ना, ads, अगर तू ads चलाना चाहता है,
हाँ,
that's where Facebook का market is. Now अगर तू Facebook पे, अभी मैंने recently new account बनाया because Tag Mango का जो workshop है, they wanted to run ads for the क्या कहते हैं workshop. They were like, we want to try and run ads and see how it goes. I was like, sure.
right.
So they asked me to, I'll have to make, because I was IP banned, so I'll have to make a new account. So I had to make a new account, connect that to my Instagram, whatever.
हाँ.
I saw
Why
जैसे
were
मैंने नया,
why were you IP banned?
आई डोंट नो बेंचो, मैं तो यार पता नहीं, एक दिन उठा आईपी बैन हो गया, 4-6 अकाउंट बनाए, फिर से आईपी बैन हो गया. मैं तो फ्रेंड्स के मीम शेयर करता था और मैं तो फ्रेंड्स देखता भी नहीं था यार, मैं तो कूची के लिए कर रहा था कसम से.
Wow.
आईपी बैन कर दिया है जो अभी भी बोलते वी
So honest, so authentic.
है ना भाई. फिर क्या बोले ओकेश भाई बोले तो रियलिस्ट मदरफकर आउट देयर. पर तू अगर फेसबुक नया अकाउंट बनाएगा ना, इमीडिएटली यू विल सी एड का जो क्या कहते हैं अकाउंट, मतलब जो भी एड का सेक्शन, पुटिंग रनिंग एड्स, इट विल पॉप अप राइट देयर ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, राइट
Right,
देयर. सो इट्स लाइक
right.
दे, इवन द फेसबुक कंपनी रिकग्नाइजेस कि हाँ, दिस इज वेयर द बिजनेस इज.
One of my friends works in Facebook in America. He was telling me कि उनकी software engineering की office is one floor, okay? And उनकी ads की office is
Yeah.
right next to it is a separate building,
Yeah.
an entire building just for ads.
Yeah. My friend who makes like 4 lakhs a week
Huh.
does a lot of like drop shipping stuff. And his whole business relies on क्या कहते हैं Facebook
Sure,
ads.
advertisements, yes, sure.
Yeah, Shopify पे अगर तुम्हारा खुद का अकाउंट है, they already have this integration where आप Facebook पे ads चला सकते हो. So like there is a massive market that everybody is using because Facebook provides that tool. It's no more a social media. It's a tool they're providing that, like I guess they're transitioning to running ads. We use our thing to run ads and they make a lot more money from it because honestly that's where ads, like Google भी वैसे ही कमाता है और Twitter भी वैसे ही कमाता है, Instagram भी वैसे ही कमाता है. So they were like, all right, fuck it, we'll just be the ads guy.
Yep, that is true. What companies does Facebook own?
Bro, I was going through like मेरे को मतलब मैं फ्री मार्केट के बारे में पढ़ रहा था एंड देन एक चार्ट आया जहाँ पे कितने सारी कंपनीज, लाइक कौन सी मेन कंपनीज बाकी कंपनीज को ओन करती है, लाइक नेस्ले एंड वॉक्सवैगन एंड दीज कंपनीज आर, डिज्नी एंड एवरीबडी, दीज आर फकिंग लाइक मैसिव कंपनीज owning other companies. It's insane.
Right.
It has 82 apps under it.
Acquisition.
Jesus Christ. It has friend feed, Octazen, share groves, then like these podcasts तो हम लोग को, sorry, these कंपनीज हमने सुना. ड्रॉप आयो मैंने सुना है, जो सोफा, आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाट सोफा इज. friend.ly, there are Instagram of course, there's क्या कहते हैं WhatsApp of course, Lightbox of course. There's a lot. They own 82 fucking apps, man. Jesus Christ. They own bunch of Indian companies as well. There is an Indian company called Little Eye Labs that is owned by Facebook. Oh wow.
मुझे ये बता, what do you think? Podcasts तो ठीक है, in India we have so many different podcasts
Yeah.
which are up and running? What are the big podcasts in India? The big podcast names.
वो रणवीर का है, अल्लाह वालिया का, अल्लाह वादिया या
हाँ
अल्लाह वालिया.
हाँ.
Um,
And
it's
who
one of the
else?
biggest. There are a lot of like sexy Savita Bhabhi podcasts that run that don't even know is a podcast. Like उनका 9 10 10 मिनट के episodes रहते हैं. That is
अच्छा.
it's a podcast. Then
Okay.
there are and these are one of the biggest ones. These target like the tier 3 वाले public.
Okay.
These जो मैंने तेरे को बोला हिंदी वाली.
Right. Right.
हमारे रॉ एंड रियल काफ़ी उठ रहे हैं आजकल. I see that they're
हाँ.
one of the biggest live podcast. In India, what अपना कनन गिल और इसका कैनी सेबेस्टियन के
का-
ये इसका पॉडकास्ट
केनी सेबेस्टियन का एक खुद का पॉडकास्ट है. करण गिल का भी एक खुद का पॉडकास्ट है क्या?
I
didn't know
think
that.
so. I'm not sure. I think कनन sorry कैनी सेबेस्टियन का है. हाँ, I know that is
खाली
working.
खाली केनी सेबेस्टियन का है. It's called Simple Ken. Just Kenny
हाँ.
Sebastian. He's the host.
Yeah.
He's doing it for himself.
Yeah. Oh really? अकेला खुद से बात करता है वो?
No, he gets some guests as well. Talks
अच्छा.
about stuff as well.
Yeah.
There is Rusty also. Stories with Rusty.
Yeah,
is also
stories
there.
with Rusty. He's popping off. He's been doing good. He's been doing good.
There are these two brothers. What are their name? Paritosh and
Raghav.
so I was saying that there are these two brothers. Paritosh and Raghav, right? They also have a podcast
Two Peas in a
called
Pod.
Two Peas in a Pod. Right.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how active they are on YouTube. But Spotify, I think
it's
they're doing
audio
pretty well.
only. Yeah.
Um,
यार Spotify पे तुम नए पॉडकास्ट डिस्कवर कैसे करते हो? मुझे ये नहीं समझता.
I don't know.
क्योंकि
I-
like YouTube
most
पे
of the
तो बाजू
most of the podcasts I listen to are out of word of mouth. Like somebody tells
ना?
me and I listen to the podcast. I don't.
yeah
go and
and
search.
that's why I feel like it's the same क्या कहते हैं concept that Twitch has where like you just tell a streamer tell about a streamer and then you watch it. There is no discoverable factor to it.
Right,
Whereas
right.
that's why a lot of YouTubers use YouTube as a discovery platform where they upload their clips or make separate videos and then they garner audience from there to YouTube.
Right. Speaking of Spotify, we recently saw retention on Spotify, which was
Yeah.
so like
Oh
just
my
blew us away.
god. 50
weird.
मिनट में 45-46 मिनट एवरेज वॉच टाइम. व्हाट द फक मैन? 46? That's insane. That is fucking like if we start having 46 minutes on YouTube, we'll be hitting like 2 million, 3 million fucking views. YouTube
And
will
just
promote
and
the
that's just
shit
because
out
YouTube
of
will
it.
just keep pushing it
Yeah.
again and again.
क्योंकि एक घंटे तक हम लोग प्लेटफॉर्म पे रख पा रहे हैं लॉन्डो को. It's insane how fucking
Right.
crazy on Spotify it is.
Right.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, man. It's I'm very looking forward to like this podcast popping up though. Like I feel it in my fucking bone. Like now
Right.
we are like I guess we are doubling down on what we are, who we are. Basically the internet
Right.
dudes talk about internet culture, have fun, talk about ourselves. And I think I
Right.
want to double down on this side along with the guest.
We should. I know I have a great topic for the next podcast.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna talk a little bit about vlogging next podcast because you are doing vlogging right now. You're trying out
I'm
vlogging, right?
loving it.
And there are YouTubers who are vlogging, and I
Yeah.
have vlogged before, so
Yeah. We can have interesting, very interesting topic to like. We can have very interesting conversation around it.
right, sure,
Yeah.
we should do something
But
like
yeah,
that.
this has been it. This has been the 40-minute quickie. We'll call it
Yep.
PBTB quickie.
Sure.
Okay? 45
Yeah.
minutes quickie. कौन
Sure.
45 minutes last करके quickie बोलता है पता नहीं, but hey, that's how it works. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this podcast, everybody. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye.